I just came here to say Happy New Year to my amazing family. And as we step into 2026, I'm going to from the bottom of my heart for the overwhelming support you have shown me throughout 2025. And since this channel started in 2024, you guys have been amazing. 2025 January, we started at 9,000 something subscribers. And here we are. We ended 2025 at 33. Ndofunga 2026 will be talking of something else. Remember, our target is 50,000. So I just feel like you guys with the support, Yamnondi Papa Napa, 50,000 is nothing. The growth wouldn't have been possible without your support, your views, your likes, your comments, and constant encouragement. Thank you for believing in this channel and for always being there throughout every milestone. I truly appreciate each and every one of you here. Asma Zimbabweans when soga pano runo shamisa, I'll forever be grateful. 2026, we are upgrading. Trust me, and more is yet to come. I'll be more better and will be bringing you good news of growth mostly, and definitely we are going to be like opening channels, more channels, and yeah, 2026 is a year of growth. Panap will be expanding. Definitely we are expanding. Tisata pedza January, I think I'll actually tell you kuti tukufamba so and so this year. Trust me, this channel will be big and better in 2026. Thank you so much. I don't know how to say thank you because your love has been amazing. Panapa and Tinenge Chingo Nachita say, but it has shaped this channel to be where it is today. It's because of you guys. I really appreciate to say comment. My comments enyu akati koshera panapa, my likes enyu akati koshera. So thank you for an amazing 2025 and 2026. I'm sure great things are going to happen panapa. You guys, I don't know. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of today.